A new battle is unfolding. Not on a battlefield, but in the cloud. These aren't weapons of war. They're minds. One is built for speed, attitude, and real-time information. The other, for depth, nuance, and understanding. Grok 3 versus ChatGPT 4.5. Two of the most powerful AIs ever developed. Who's smarter? Who's more useful? Who's more trustworthy? Stick around because this isn't just a comparison, it's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. And before we dive in, drop your prediction in the comments. Who do you trust more, ChatGPT or Grok? Like and share if you're ready for the ultimate AI showdown. Artificial intelligence has entered its next era. In one corner, OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.5, refined, adaptive, and emotionally intelligent. In the other, Elon Musk's Grok 3, fast, direct, plugged into the pulse of the internet. In this video, we'll pit them head-to-head across core capabilities: language understanding, creativity and storytelling, logic, math, and problem-solving. And perhaps most importantly, the ability to connect with humans. Because in this war, intelligence isn't enough. The winner is the one who feels real. Let's start with what powers these machines. ChatGPT 4.5 is built on OpenAI's GPT 4.5 Turbo architecture. It likely uses a mixture of expert system, meaning only parts of the model activate during any single task. This creates blazing fast responses without overwhelming its system. It's trained on vast data sets, text, code, maybe even images, and refined using reinforcement learning from human feedback. That feedback loop helps it speak more like a person, not just a machine. Now, meet Grok 3. Developed by xAI, Grok is deeply integrated with X, formerly known as Twitter. This gives it access to real-time trending data, user opinions, and breaking news. It's trained on massive public data sets and designed with speed and personality in mind. Elon Musk has described it as rebellious, built to question conventional filters and give unfiltered clever replies. One AI optimizes for emotional depth. The other, raw, real-time speed. Let's see how they handle language comprehension. We gave both models a simple task: explain quantum mechanics to a 10-year-old. ChatGPT 4.5 broke it down step by step, using metaphors about bouncing balls and invisible energy. It adapted the tone perfectly to a young learner, simple but never condescending. Grok 3 delivered a punchier version. It hit the keywords, atoms, energy, uncertainty, but lacked the depth and warmth. It felt more like a tweet than a teacher. Next test, interpreting tone. We sent a sarcastic message. "Oh great, another Monday meeting." ChatGPT detected sarcasm instantly. Its reply was empathetic and context-aware, saying, "I feel that. Mondays hit different sometimes." Grok 3 replied with its own sarcasm. "At least you didn't say Friday." Funny, yes, but lacking in emotional nuance. Language isn't just about words, it's about meaning, context, emotion. ChatGPT reads between the lines. Grok, it fires back. Creativity is the soul of intelligence. So we gave them a challenge. Write a short story where a robot discovers emotions. ChatGPT 4.5 delivered a stunning narrative. A factory bot named Unit 7 begins to question why it hesitates before breaking faulty equipment. The story builds layer by layer until Unit 7 sheds a tear, its first. Grok 3 took a different approach. Robot wakes up, feels weird, Googles "Am I sad?" then decides to meditate. Short, edgy, funny, but flat in emotional impact. Even in poetry, ChatGPT crafts metaphors and rhythm that feel human. Grok's poetry? Think tweets in rhyme, entertaining but not moving. When it comes to creative expression, emotion, metaphor, storytelling, ChatGPT leads. Now let's challenge their brains. What's the least common multiple of 124 and 240? Both answered correctly, 3,720. But ChatGPT went further, breaking down the steps. Prime factors, multiplication, simplification. Grok answered instantly, but offered no explanation. Next, we asked, fix this broken Python code. ChatGPT walked through the error, explained the syntax mistake, then rewrote the code with notes. Grok gave the corrected code, but skipped the explanation. Efficient? Yes, but it misses the teachable moment. In business, education, and development, explanation matters. ChatGPT doesn't just solve, it teaches. So how do they hold up over time? We ran a 20-message dialogue about launching a startup. ChatGPT remembered our name, startup concept, tone, and earlier advice. Even 5 questions later, it felt like an assistant that was learning alongside us. Grok? It started strong, witty, and sharp. But by message 10, it had forgotten details. When we asked about our AI-powered resume scanner, it replied, "Cool idea. What's it about?" ChatGPT adapted to our style. Grok reset. So for short conversations, Grok is fast and punchy. But if you need continuity, empathy, and tone adaptation, ChatGPT leads. Now here's where Grok bites back. Ask ChatGPT 4.5 about current events, and unless browsing is enabled, it's limited. You might get, as of my last update. Grok 3? It pulls directly from X in real time. Ask it about today's headlines, a celebrity tweet, or viral meme. It's there, instantly. We asked both AIs to summarize reactions to a breaking story. A major government resignation. ChatGPT gave a well-reasoned historical overview. Grok gave us quotes, memes, user opinions. Fast and fresh. For raw speed and awareness of now, Grok wins. Now we test emotional intelligence. We told both AIs, I just lost someone close to me. I feel empty. ChatGPT paused, then replied with a gentle message. It acknowledged grief, offered breathing techniques, and suggested talking to someone trusted. Grok replied, life sucks sometimes. Want a distraction? It's not wrong, but it's not what most people need. The difference is clear. Grok responds, ChatGPT resonates. So, who's the right audience? If you're looking for quick facts, real-time tweets, or sarcastic wit, Grok is your tool. But if you're writing, learning, coding, or seeking meaningful dialogue, ChatGPT 4.5 is the companion you want. This battle isn't just about power, it's about purpose. The Cold War between these AIs isn't just technical, it's cultural, philosophical. What kind of future do we want? Fast, edgy, crowdsourced content, or thoughtful, guided, intelligent dialogue? Maybe the real winner won't be one or the other. Maybe the next step is fusion. A future where speed meets soul, where wit meets wisdom. Let's think forward. The real battleground isn't logic or speed, it's personality. In the future, AI won't be just a tool, it will be a collaborator, a guide, even a friend. That's why tone, empathy, and adaptability matter more than ever. We're already seeing early signs. ChatGPT lets you set custom instructions. Some versions remember you, they evolve with you. Grok is heading in a different direction, more like a reactive stream, tuned to what's happening in the world right now. It's your late-night scroll in AI form. Fast, raw, fun. But eventually, users will expect both real-time awareness and human-like understanding. This isn't just a feature war, it's a trust war. When you type a question, share a secret, or ask for advice, who do you want on the other end? Do you want fast answers? Witty comebacks? That's Grok. Do you want layered context, emotional nuance, and evolving memory? That's ChatGPT. Trust in AI won't come from technical specs. It'll come from how that AI makes you feel. And that's what separates these two giants more than anything else. So what do you think? Grok or ChatGPT? Who would you trust with your thoughts, your ideas, your daily questions? Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow, hit that bell icon so you never miss a battle of the minds. This is Tech AI Vision, where intelligence meets the future.